Warning signs your exhaust system needs immediate attention. Car louder than usual or consuming more fuel. Your vehicle could have an exhaust problem. Here are a few signs that could point to exhaust problems. 1. If your vehicle sounds too loud, could be a cracked exhaust pipe or a hole in the muffler. 2. A burning smell or smoke might mean exhaust fumes are leaking into places they shouldn't. 3. Consuming more fuel than usual could mean your exhaust system isn't clearing gases properly, causing the engine to work harder. 4. A rattling sound could be a loose heat shield or mounting bracket. At BCS Workshop in Melbourne, from minor leaks to complete replacements, our experienced mechanic team utilizes quality parts to keep your car running at its best. Don't wait. Book your exhaust repair at BCS Workshop and drive with confidence. Thank you for watching our video.